Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about the value function in Excel. So before we go ahead and see what exactly is this value function and how we can use it in our day-to-day life, we need to understand what exactly is this value function. So the Excel value function converts a particular text that appears in a recognized format such as a number, date or a time format into a specific numeric value. Normally, this value function is not needed in Excel because Excel automatically converts the text to a numeric values, but the purpose of this value function is to provide user with a flexibility to convert the text to a number. So most often in our day-to-day life we usually have certain data, for example like this, where we have the currency symbol or when we have a particular percentage symbol added in our data and we need to extract numeric value from that data range. So in order to do that, you have to use this value function. So this value function syntax is very simple. It usually asks you a single argument that is the text that needs to be converted to a number. So in nutshell, or as a bottom line, I can say that the value function is meant to convert a text value that represents a number into a numeric format, and the text can be anything. For example, it can be a date, a time or any other number format as long as the format can be recognized by Excel. So whenever you will use this Excel value function and you are successful with the conversion, then you will get the result in a numeric value with no number formatting. But when the value function is unable to convert a text value into a numeric result, then you will have a hash value error as a result in your cell. So let me show you how you can use this value function in Excel. So our example here is to convert the below values into numbers, and what we need to do is that we need to get the absolute numbers for these values. In order to do that, we can simply use this value function and we'll put equal to, then we'll put value, and as you can see the value is asking for a single argument and this argument is text. This text value is the value which will be converted into a number. So now if I give it the range of this A6 which has date and close the bracket and press enter, it gives me a number, and this number is the numeric value for this particular date. Now as you can see here in cell A7 we have a rupees sign and after this we have a number. Now if we need only this number part and we need to remove this rupees sign, then we can use this value function. So we'll simply put equal to value and we'll give this range. Now you can see the difference between these two. So there is no formatting in this cell A7. We have a particular format that it is separated by comma and we have two decimal places, but when we apply this value function, all of the formatting from the numbers has been removed. Even this rupees sign has been removed. In our cell A8 we have time value that consists of the hour and minute. Now if I drag this formula, you can see that the value function has specifically converted this time into the numeric value. Now same for this 20%, if we drag this formula, this 20% has been converted into the number value. Now there is one thing that you need to be aware of, is that if this value function is unable to convert a text value to a numeric result, then you will have a hash value error in your result set. So this is how basically you can use the value function in Excel to convert a text value that represents a number into a numeric value.